Hi guys, Dave's here. I bought this pine board from Lowe's. It's 7 1/4 inches wide. It's 8 foot long. I'm going to cut it up to some 15-inch lengths, and we're going to make some Mother Day signs. If you want to see me do it, stay tuned. Okay, clamp your board to a table or something, and you want to get you one of these. It's called a paint and rust stripper, but I found it works good in making texture on wood. I've got ones already stuck in my drill here, so we just take it along here, just follow the drill. Let me do the rest of these here, and I'll get back to you. Once you do that, take you a piece of sandpaper and kind of go over the corners and everything. You know, you don't want this thing smooth. You just want to knock the burrs off of it and everything. Okay, I've got them wiped down and everything. And now we're going to put it in some of this Rustoluem Kona wood stain. I like it. It's got this dark brown look to it. Let it set for 3 minutes. That's what the can says. This is the first one, so we'll start wiping it off. Okay, I'll let it dry overnight now, and now I'm going to spray some matte clear over it. Okay guys, I designed the project in vectored expire. My dimensions here is 7 1/4 by 15 by 3/4. So the first thing I done was make some borders here for my lettering. And then I added some lettering in each one of the blocks, choosing a different font for each one, so that way it'll look unique and everything. Once I got it the way I liked it, I went back up here and checked the border. I've got them in the center and everything. Then I go over here and I click on the V-carve, and there's a flat depth with a 90-degree V-bit. Just let it carve what it can here, and here's what it's going to look like. So let's go to carving. Okay, once it's carved, now we need to spray another coat of clear. I'm going to use the matte. Well, as you can see, I made 4 different ones here. This is the one that you've seen carved and everything. Then I made this in here. The only thing better than having you as a mom is my children having you as their grandma. To the world, you are a mother, but to your family, you are the world. And this is probably my favorite. Then when I tell you I love you, I don't say it a habit or to make conversation. I say it to remind you that you are the best thing that ever happened to me. So this is something else we can carve on our CNCs. And as always, thanks for watching, guys.